First, loosen the anti-tamper screw with an offset Phillips head screwdriver. This screw is located on the underside of the handle base. Once the anti-tamper screw is loose, next unscrew the push-button actuator cap using your hand. Once loose, pull it up and off the base. Next, remove the flex shaft that was located under the cap. Inside of the handle base, remove the 11mm nut with a socket wrench. Pull up and remove the entire handle base. Be mindful of the loose components as you will need these later when reassembling. Next, remove the boot by stretching or pulling the bottom of the boot away and over the retaining flange. Once removed, flip the boot over and remove the brass bushing from underneath. Add the brass bushing that was just removed to the bottom of the new boot and slide the boot onto the joystick shaft. Then slide the handle bushing back onto the shaft. Next, put the handle base back on, which will need to be reassembled in the following order. First, the honeycomb washer. Second, the smaller lock washer. And lastly, the 11mm nut, which will need to be tightened with a socket wrench. Be careful not to cross-thread the nut while tightening. Once the nut is tight, slide the flex shaft back into the joystick shaft. Push it down a couple of times to ensure it operates. Place the push button cap back on top of the handle base and screw it on until tight using your hand. With an offset Phillips screwdriver, tighten up the anti-tamper screw. Lastly, pull the bottom of the boot over the retaining flange on all sides. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website or contact us today.